Turn the cal valve on the side of the enclosure from sample to standard in. This temporarily prevents flow to the analyzer. Step 1. Installing the O2 sensor. Unscrew the O2 sensor housing cover by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the new sensor from its N2 filled bag and remove the red shorting strip. Place the sensor metal mesh screen side down and the circuit board contacts facing up. Step 2. Atmospheric calibration. Press the menu button on the controller followed by calibration button. Select Calibrate O2 followed by Calibrate using atmospheric air. Using the up and down button, adjust the O2 reading to 20.9%. After 10 to 12 seconds, the reading should settle to 20.9%. Push the Verify Calibration button. The next screen will ask if your sensor has been changed. Verify by pressing yes or no. Proceed to reinstall the O2 sensor housing cover and make sure the O-ring is secure. Turn the manual cal valve on the side of the enclosure from standard in to sample in. Verify flow meter on the front panel is set to 0.5. The controller display will read 4+ signs until the O2 levels are less than 100 ppm.